This is my first time on your For You page. Welcome. If you have seen me on here, y'all know y'all seen the comments. Bro sound like Chris Brown. Bro sound like Tory Lanez. Nah, definitely Bryson Tiller. Bro sound like Beyonce. Seen them all. I seen them all, and that's what inspired this video. I want to show y'all this Tory Lanez reference track I did back in 2018. I was writing for this label. They sent the beat over, and I was like, you know what? I know who would slide on this joint. I can't fuck around with you, cause I got somebody. I know you patiently waiting me. She told me she only in town for the night. I'm about to go dummy in this bitch. She ain't fucking with the click now. She only wants tory in the six. So listen, I pulled up in the double R. She wanna be famous, steady smiling at the camera. Lights on. Fuck, I left my lights on. Rollie said he shut it, I forgot to turn my